KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome back to the wild world of weather. Temperatures rising 6 degrees in just the last 25 minutes, going from 66 to 72 with a dew point of 71, and the winds have picked up as well as expected. That warm front doing some business tonight, and we have some active weather to talk about overnight tonight through tomorrow. Then a little bit of a break, but more rain's on the way Thursday, but just a marginal threat of severe weather tonight. We'll talk more about that, and hopefully no flooding issues, at least in the near term. So let's get to the big picture. Got a big messy storm on the map tonight, producing heavy snow, frozen precipitation to the north, showers, and the threat of flooding rainfall to the south into Arkansas, Tennessee, and portions of Mississippi. And back to the west, another upper level disturbance rolling through the southwest, producing more snow. And that system is going to help engender more showers and thunderstorms across our area as we head into late tomorrow night and Thursday. On the radar tonight, though, pretty hefty storms, and these are interesting storms right here, producing a lot of cloud ground lightning from Monroe on southward toward Alexandria. Some heavy showers and thunder showers. Also some pretty good showers, maybe a rumble of thunder in Evangeline Parish at this hour, and then another strong cell right here around the Acadia Parish area, and seeing a lightning strike right there. And also as you go farther to the east, we're hearing this little downpour right here at the station. And then farther to the south, scattered activity. It's all going to be spreading eastward with time. Rest of Acadiana pretty quiet for right now. Fog along the coast, but I don't think that's going to be a major issue, although we do have dense fog advisory for Vermilion and Cameron parishes. So as we take a look at predictive radar, showers will continue overnight tonight. We'll have to keep an eye on them because now that that warm front has moved to the north, we are looking at the possibility of maybe a couple of storms rooting in the lower part of the atmosphere that could produce wind damage. More on that in just a bit, but I think that's going to be northeastern Louisiana and then into Mississippi as we put things in motion. You see the storms picking up in nature right around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. These are the cells I would be watching the radar later on tonight. So 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, it could get interesting. And then we see those storms still across the area through first thing in the morning. But by 8 o'clock, things begin to wind down. And by 10 a.m., we should be relatively quiet. The predictive radar model indicating we're going to clear out, but I don't think that's going to be the case. So we have a front coming back on through, cool front. So we go from warm back to cool as we head into tomorrow morning. The morning low and the daytime high will be 68. Those showers and storms push off to the east, lingering clouds, some showers maybe through lunchtime. We'll wait and see on that. Maybe the skies brighten just before sunset, but then here come the clouds. That front becomes nearly stationary and actually moves back to the north as a warm front going into Thursday, so more rain and thunderstorms for Thursday. As for the severe weather threat, the Storm Prediction Center has trimmed back the threat of severe storms, just a marginal risk, and we'll have to be on the lookout for a supercell that could produce damaging winds. Chance of that happening about 5%, chance of a tornado 2%. So again, a low-end severe weather risk, and that severe weather risk pushes off to the east tomorrow during the day. Here's a quick look at the European model as we go into Friday. We'll say scattered activity. We might see some sunshine, so temperatures could push 80 degrees as we go into Friday, but then going into Saturday, here comes the next cold front. Showers and thunderstorms, especially late in the day into the early evening hours, so that could impact the Rio parade, but it looks like the early parade Saturday should be in pretty good shape. Then nice and cool for Sunday, but only for one day. Rain is back for Monday, but the latest Euro indicating cooler air coming in toward the middle part and latter part of next week, and hopefully that is the case. Break the pattern for a few days, and maybe it will last through Mardi Gras, but we'll have to wait and see on that. Rainfall not going to be an issue, half inch or less overnight tonight through tomorrow, but then you add the rains that we see going into Thursday. Rain totals could push 1 to 2 inches, but again, greatest threat of flooding rains will be north and east of us, so flooding not a concern. So temperatures tonight, here we are 4 o'clock in the morning, 70s, lower 70s, then we cool off as we head to lunchtime tomorrow, lower 60s, a little bit of a wind chill with breezy northwest winds, and temperatures drop into the 50s tomorrow night, but it'll warm back up again Thursday as we see temperatures getting back into the lower 70s. So up and down rain chances and temperatures. So getting milder and becoming breezy. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Temperatures may get as warm as 73 or so, then drop to 68 by tomorrow morning. Chance of getting wet at 100%. Breezy southerly winds. Tomorrow morning storms, scattered showers into the afternoon. Temperatures dropping into the lower 60s with with northwest winds. Rain chances back up to 80%. We'll call it for early Thursday. And then Friday, temperatures nearing 80 degrees, as we mentioned. Warm Saturday with showers and storms late in the day. The break on Sunday, and that's something that we are looking forward to.
Sure are. Thanks, Rob.